Hi everyone, welcome to Kavi's lecture. In this video, I am going to explain another example problem in the concept of eliminating left recursion. In the previous lecture, I told you what is terminal and non-terminal and how to apply this rule 1 and rule 2. The same way, here I am going to teach you another example. Now you just compare this general form with this given production. So there is no left recursion in the first production. That is, the non-terminal S produces starts with the terminal in all the three productions. So there is no left recursion here. But when you see the second production, T produces T, S. So both the terms non-terminals are same. Hence this production is having the left recursion as like our general form. Now I am going to apply this rule 1 and rule 2 to eliminate the left recursion. So by comparing this comma and S is termed as a alpha and this S is a beta. By applying this rule 1, that is A produces beta A dash. Here A is capital T. So you can write the production T produces beta A dash. What is your beta? Capital S is your beta. Then A dash. Here it is T. So it is T dash. Since we have applied the rule 1 for the production which is having the left recursion, then we have to apply the rule 2. What is rule 2? A dash produces alpha A dash or epsilon. So here A dash is your T dash produces alpha. What is your alpha? Comma and non-terminal S is your alpha. So write it as comma non-terminal S and A dash. So here it is T dash or epsilon. So this is how we have to apply the rule 1 and rule 2 to eliminate the left recursion. Finally, you can write the answer after eliminating this left recursion. Thank you for watching. We will see you with the next problem in the next video.